In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix the "your account has been disabled in the App Store or iTunes" error here on your iPhone, iPad, or Mac. Let's go ahead and jump straight into this. Before we do though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this, so we'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But when you do see this error, that usually means that your Apple ID was locked for security reasons or just because of a failed payment. So begin by opening up your settings app and tap your Apple ID up at the very top and scroll down and select this media and purchases section right here, and then go ahead and choose view account. Once you open this up, it's going to prompt you to log in. Go ahead and log in, and then go ahead and select manage payments. And from here, just make sure your credit or debit card hasn't expired and that billing address is correct. If you have recently moved or got a new card, update those details right here. From here, go back to your Apple ID settings and then go ahead and tap on subscriptions right here. Once again, it may ask you to sign in. If not though, or if so, sign in and then look for any unpaid or failed subscriptions, cancel them, and then just update that payment info. Pending or failed subscriptions can prevent your account from working properly, so you definitely don't want that. If your account is still disabled, what you're going to want to do though is back out of this section right here, open up a web browser and go to iforgot.apple.com. In Safari or really just any browser, and just enter in your Apple ID and then select reset password and follow the on-screen instructions to verify your identity. After resetting, your account should automatically reactivate. But if you are still having issues, once again, back out of this section, go back into settings, and what you're going to want to do is go back into your Apple ID and scroll all the way down to the very bottom and select sign out. Don't erase your data and then sign back in using your new password. After that, open up media and purchases to confirm your payment info and subscriptions are up to date. And if the problems still persist, go ahead and contact Apple support by searching disabled Apple account on Google and selecting the official Apple support link. From here, you can actually request your reactivation. Select it, sign in, and open up that support ticket. I have full separate videos breaking down that entire process, so I'd recommend checking those out because it is a lot. But overall, that is it. That is how you can fix a disabled Apple ID or Apple account. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know you want more content like this, so we'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.